Hello, so we are back, and this time we have a nice laptop to repair, huh? MacBook. Now, this MacBook, I think is pretty obvious what is the problem with the MacBook, yeah? We have liquid damage. I mean, check here, you can see, actually here it's water. But check here, yeah? So this MacBook has liquid damage. Now, let me try it. And let's try to see what we can do. Clearly, this happened like probably today because the water is fresh. The job was quoted for £200, so it's quite expensive. Let me open the MacBook and let's check inside. Okay, so the MacBook, it's open. Lol, check there, check there. I mean, this is the back cover, full of water, and that's how it's inside. Do we have any chance to save this MacBook? What do you think? Huh? First, let's disconnect the battery. The battery is disconnected. I can see the board is green. You can see it. Check there. You can see that green thing here on the board. If I think can be fixed, yes. You know why? Because it's fresh. You know what I mean? So the board didn't have that much time. I mean, you can see white spots here. You can see green spots here. But the board didn't have that much time to corrode the components and the track. I mean, this happened. You see, this liquid damage happened probably today. They brought the laptop to the computer shop, and I pick up the laptop like 2 hours later. The water jobs, they always have priority. Even on when I get a job here, like water damage, that has to be looked soon as possible. I'm gonna take out the motherboard, and we're gonna try to fix this one. Let's make it like a tutorial, yeah, how we can fix a water damaged laptop. Okay, so the board, it's out. Huh? Yeah, it's a lot. You can see a lot of green spots on the motherboard. You can see it. Yeah, it is looking a little bit bad, but I really have hopes about this. The question is, what about the keyboard? Huh? What about the screen? And we can clearly see water on the screen, but I'm assuming the screen is still properly on place, so we can have a chance. Now, just to sort the things, we are checking the motherboard, cleaning the motherboard. But meanwhile, doing this, okay, even this board is damaged. Okay, let's take this board out also. Good, so even this board is out. You can see it's kind of damaged. Yeah. Meanwhile, yeah, we are fixing the motherboard. I will put the laptop in the front of the heater. Yeah, I have a room heater like this, and I will put the laptop in the front of the heater. I will keep a distance, probably like 1 meter distance, just to be sure nothing it will goes wrong, blowing hot air onto the laptop. Okay, it is looking bad. Wow. And on the other side, we have, yeah, okay, okay, yeah. The connector is fine, it's fine. Yeah, the connector is okay. I still have hopes from this board, just because the damage is not old. Yeah, so let's clean it. I have like a small bottle with alcohol, isopropylic alcohol. So we're gonna clean everything. Here is looking bad. So what do you think? Can we fix it? Can we have this laptop delivered the customer today? What do you think? Today, yeah, not tomorrow, today. We have to deliver this laptop back. Can we do it? When I say today, I mean like a half an hour. Can we have this laptop working in a half an hour? That's the question. Here is looking bad. Yeah, that capacitor must be tested. This connector, we have to take this connector out and check the connector. The connector is looking good. The connector has a seal, you can see. That rubber seal here, this one. Yeah, so the connector is fine. But still, cost us nothing to clean it. Here we have something. So how is looking? Is looking good? Looking okay? We have to pay attention for damaged components, yeah? So here is looking fine. Okay, let's see on the other side. Here we have connectors. We have green connectors, cheap. But you see, it's very, very easy to be cleaned. That means it's not old. Can this laptop can be fixed by cleaning? And I believe yes, can be fixed only by cleaning. And it's all about, you know, the time from the moment the laptop got damaged till the moment someone open and disconnect the battery. Perfect. And here we have some damage. Let's take out the heatsink. And here inside, no, here everything is fine. Check here. So all the important components, they were safe because of this seal. Yeah, pretty smart from Apple. Good, so we finished. I mean, everything is how it's supposed to be. Here we still have a little bit. Here. Perfect. Good. Otherwise, it's looking fine. Yeah. Perfect. I think we are ready. Now I know the question is inside, right? How it's inside. We should take this out, probably, right? Yeah, let's take this shield out. I'm using 480 degrees. Perfect. Perfect. So the shield is out. And yeah, we can see some damage there. So we made a good decision to lift this this cover. Perfect, like new. Yeah, looks like. Looks like. Okay. I can see some damage capacitors. Yeah, I can see that. Yeah, here. Damage doesn't mean actually are are gone. We can check the main power rail. Well, let's see, main power rail. So here is ground probably. Yeah, it is, and here is plus. The main power rail is not shorted. Yeah. So we are fine. We are fine. Because if I start to replace every damage capacitor, yeah, I will take forever. That will take hours. You know what I mean? It is damage outside. Outside, yeah, but inside, the capacitor is good. Right? What I care is to not have shorted capacitors. Yeah, everything looks fine. Let me put this back here. Good. Good. You know what I want to do? I want to do something, and I will do it. I will come because those chips are criticals here. You know what I mean? Liquid rosin, and I'll try to isolate everything with rosin behind of those chips. Yeah. When you see the first phase of the liquid rosin is boiling, the alcohol is getting evaporated. Then the rosin, it will crystallize. It will get in the solid form. When the solid form, it will isolate every pin. Every pin behind of those chips, it will be isolated one to the other. Good. All good. This connector is looking good here and is looking good here. So no problems with this connector, no. Now let's see this small board. Yeah, this is looking bad also. I mean, this is looking worse compared with the motherboard. Good. Remember, that's all what we have is like half an hour, huh? That's the target. Perfect. Looking like brand new, right? Yeah, it is looking like brand new. Perfect. Good. Let's get the laptop, yeah? The laptop is dry. I left the laptop in the front of the heater. And now it's looking good. What do you think? It's looking dry. Huh? Good. Perfect. And inside? Looking good? Looking good. Okay, let's check those connectors here. Yeah, okay, that's bad. What about here is fine. Here is fine. Yeah, no issue. Here is a problem. Keyboard connector, yeah, everything is good. We have a little bit here. Let's clean it. Perfect. Perfect. Looking like brand new, right? Yeah. Perfect. Now let's take care of the connectors. Yeah. Good. So we have those connectors, but it's fine. It's okay. Yeah, both are fine. No problems. The charging connector, you can see something there. You can see that? Yeah. Perfect, like brand new. Good. The screen connector is looking fine. Yeah. Yeah, no issue with the screen connector. Battery connector, looking perfect. The keyboard and touchscreen, okay, this is looking bad. Good, and let's clean it. Okay, here we may have a problem with that pin, with this one. But no, the pin is still soldered in place. So I believe we are fine. Yeah, the pin is still soldered. Probably if this laptop it will just sit for a few more hours, a lot of components it will need to be replaced. Okay, let's check here. Here we have some green stuff on the speaker connector, but that's fine. Perfect. And on the other side is fine. Good. Let's see this one. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, clean. Good. And I think we are ready. Yeah. What I will do? We have to dry the board. Yeah. Let's be sure the board is dry. Perfect. $480, yeah. Good. Everything is fine. Now, let's put it all back together, yeah? Let's see, it's working? What do you think? It is a simple test to see if it's working. It is, yeah, it is. We are just plugging the charging connector and we are plugging the charger. Good, so the charger connector is plugged in. Let's plug the charger. $20, check there, 20 volts. So I believe this motherboard is working. That's what I believe. 4.9 volts. Okay, I don't like 4.9. Yeah, let's check the charging ports inside. Yeah, a lot of oxidation inside of the ports. Probably you can't see. But clearly, we can't give back this laptop to the customer with this kind of oxidation. No, we can't do it. We have to clean this port. Huh? It's not looking that bad, right? No, here. Yeah, here's some green stuff. Yeah. Yeah, here is looking bad. You can see it? Perfect. You know what I believe? I believe that port was faulty from before. This one. You see one pin? I don't think this pin is from now. This one. Probably this is faulty from before. No, because we have no oxidation, you can see. I mean, even on this side. We don't have that kind of level of oxidation actually to eat the pad. So that must be from before. Yeah. Clean. So what does mean? Does mean this port it will not work with the broken pin? It will work. We're probably on one side. Perfect. So we know the board has 20 volts. Is going up. Let's start to put back together all those things. Let's start with this one. You know what? We didn't check this cable, right? Yeah, we didn't check this cable. This one, we forgot about this one. Nah, it's looking good. It's looking good. Perfect. Let's try. Perfect. Now let's put the board back. And if something is faulty, we can diagnose, but we cannot like randomly start checking things. And it's more easy to diagnose based on you know, what we are seeing is coming on, not coming on, charging, not charging, things like that. How you'll do it? You'll do it on a different way? Has to be fast. What way you'll do it? The only problem, and trust me, I definitely understand. It is hard from some people. It is hard to comprehend or understand actually the time. It's extremely expensive. Yeah, you know what? I believe in UK time is more expensive compared with the United States. That's what I believe. But even if it's no more expensive, it's about there. Good. So let's plug this one. Good. So everything is plugged. I want to test. That's what I want. I want to test the screen cable. Good. And the battery, right? Everything is plugged and nothing exploded. Let's plug the charger. Yeah. And it's charging fine and it's coming on, right? We have picture. We have picture. I mean, I know it has a line, the customer said has a line. The version. Wait, why? What is this? This is an error or what? The customer said has a line on the screen, yeah? So we know the customer said has a line. So that's not a problem. It's not our problem. But the screen is still working. You can hear the sound. The screen is still working. It's working. I mean, yeah, the screen has a lot of dots. Yeah, but the laptop is working. The customer said has a line, yeah? LCD has a line. So it's not from now, it's from before. I can't believe actually it's working. Ha ha. Okay, give me 1 minute to put it all back together so we can test. Okay, the liquid damage job are tricky. And it looks like, okay, like this kind of damage. Yeah, this kind of damage. It looks like, okay, so the customer pay for what? To get the laptop working back, right? No, really. Yeah, no, really. So what the customer is paying, at least on this job, yeah, the customer is paying to have the opportunity to save his data. Yeah, if you don't fix this laptop, the customer lost the data. So we are not giving warranty for a liquid damage repair. Even on the shop I worked before, we were not giving warranty for liquid damage repairs because today fix it, it's working. 1 week, 1 month, the customer come back, okay, it's not working. Yeah, but it's not my fault. It was liquid damage. You have a lot of rusty components, which it will take hours to replace. So yeah, that's kind of that's the problem with the liquid damage jobs. Or we fix it, the keyboard is not working, or the screen is not working. You know what I mean? I mean, all what we did, we give the opportunity to the customer to save his data. Now, if the laptop is working, okay, that's fine, but that's not my concern. You know what I mean? I want the customer to save his data. And the computer shop probably told the customer he has to save the data on the day he get the laptop back. Yeah, that's the deal. Okay, so the laptop is working. Mouse is working. The keyboard is working. I can't believe. Everything is working fine. This port charging 19 volts. Yeah. The other port coming on 19 volts. So both ports are working. Probably one port is working only one side. But everything looks fine, right? Unplugging the charger. The battery is like half charge. For you, looks like it has a lot of dots, but the picture is not that bad. You can see it. Yeah, the laptop is a little bit dirty. We can clean it. We can create more liquid damage. Yeah. Perfect. Looking better, right? Yeah. Okay. Fantastic. Fantastic. Password working. Good. Good. Perfect. So I'm happy I helped this customer. Now the customer can save his data. The problem is we said has to be like half an hour and we are like 55 minutes. You can see here. So yeah, it took like 1 hour for this laptop to be repaired. It's working, it's working. It will be working 1 year. Hard to say. I think yeah, but hard to say that. Can die tomorrow? Possible, you know. Can we fix it again? Very possible. But one more time. Yeah, one more time because I don't want to miss the point. Apple is soldering the SSD on the motherboard. If you don't fix the motherboard, you lose the data. Okay? Perfect. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye.